Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here in Goa and I'm in my hotel waiting to go out on beach, but before that I'm going to shoot a tutorial for you guys which is about a natural beach beauty look. I want to put something on my face rather than putting nothing on my face. So let's quickly begin the tutorial. So the first product that I'm going to use is this sunscreen, of course, and I am using this sunscreen because I really need to protect my skin. Very sunny, so I am applying it in good amount.
Moisturize my skin and then I'm going in with this sunscreen. So the next step I will be doing is I'm going to apply some BB cream.
And for BB cream I'm using this Maybelline BB cream which has an SPF of 21. So I'm waiting for 2 or 3 minutes so this sunscreen set on my face. And today I'm going to do my makeup with my fingers only. I will blend each and everything on my face with my fingers, because there are some people who do not carry brushes or beauty blender with them. So let me teach you how to do makeup with your fingers. Yes, so all done with this sunscreen on my face, and now I'm going in with this BB cream and I'm applying it all over my face. So you do not have to do anything, just spread it all over your face with light patted motions like this, and be careful when you come close to your eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is applying my concealer, which is LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it is just to even out my skin tone. So yes, with the help of this brush, squeezing it a little and like this, I am applying it under my eyes. And with my fingers, I am blending this concealer under my eyes. And now I am going to set my face with a loose powder. And for loose powder, I am using the same Bharat and Doris loose powder. And today I am spreading this all over my face without a brush and using this, cushioned sponge. It really works best. So I have taken some product on this, like this, in patted motions. And I'm powdering it in good amount because it's sunny outside. There might be chances of getting oil on face, mostly T-zone area. Under my eyes as well, so as not to get any creasing. For that I'm using this Sephora, which is a tri-palette having some highlighter, contour and bronzer in this. Using this bronzer to give it a little sun-kissed look, and for that you have to use a brush. You can use any brush. So I'm dipping my brush in this bronzer, dabbing off the excess, light hands, and just brushing it on my cheeks. A little bronzer looks good when you are trying to do a beach look. And after that I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm going to apply this Nika Duo blush with the pink shade. So I'm taking some on my brush lightly I'm patting it on my skin.
Always overdo my blush.
So now the face is done. Now I'm moving towards my eyes. For eyes, first I'm going to use this brow pencil in shaping my brows. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm not putting any kajal on my lash lines or anything of that sort. Just my eyebrows and this mascara, which is from Maybelline, the Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'm using this because you are on a holiday and your eyes may look like little tired because of this whole schedule you have on your holiday, like getting up early, sleeping late. So just to open up my eyes, I'm using this mascara. So my eyes are also done, my face is done, and now it's time for the lips. And I'm not going in with any bold shade today because it is a beach look. So I'm going in with this light shade which is from YSL, and it is not available in India, and this is like a really earthy color. So I'm just going to pat it on my lips. And yes, you are done. So no more products, and this is the beach look that I wanted to show you guys. And yes, with this the look is completed, and I really hope you like the video, and if you do, then please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.